In 1991, Kithende Kalibogha started a project of hostels in Kasese to cater for disadvantaged families in the district. The hostels had been serving both boys and girls until 2010, when it was purported to have been auctioned after Kithende Kalibogha failed to pay over 400 million shillings, the charges that had accrued from court when he lost a case.
These properties here had been purportedly sold by a bailiff of court, purportedly in the names of Mr. Chirunda Moses. Now, since he is a bailiff of court, we were able to reach him. And when we reached him, he categorically denied, first of all, knowledge of having ever even known that there exists a place called Kithende Boys and Girls Hostel in the Kasese district. He did not know. But secondly, he denied categorically that he has never even stepped in Kasese just to undertake an auction, public auction or private.
The documents tell us the judgments of court show clearly how Kithende lost these properties. We have talked of public selling by public auction. He lost the properties. He lost the hostels at Kasese Kievambe Road. So he actually didn't own those properties, but he's been forcing himself onto those properties.
According to the Vicar General of the Diocese of Kasese, Reverend Father Landers Wambale, it is on record that Kithende Kalibogha lost the case and the properties in question were attached.
So the RDC was informed, the police was informed, the local council leaders were informed, and so the diocese reacquired its property. Again, that was after another judgment that had been made regarding the trespass of Kalibogha Apollinaris.
In this regard, a legal team from Kithende Kalibogha, the former Member of Parliament for Bukonzo County East in Kasese District, has threatened to sue the Catholic Diocese of Kasese for unlawful demolition of Kithende hostels located in Nyakabingo ward of Central Division, Kasese Municipality. This said that the act of demolition was unlawful and a civil suit is being prepared against the Diocese of Kasese.
As a legal team with my colleagues, we are preparing a civil case. We are preparing a civil case against those people who are involved so far. From the unverified information that I have, I hear the land officer of the Diocese of Kasese has come up to claim responsibility for the demolition.
Human rights activists in Kasese have also condemned the act and called for police intervention.
But also criminally, you're not supposed to go and demolish or attempt to evict someone without the required documents. So I think police has something to explain on that,
The police spokesperson for Rwenzori East Region, Nelson Tumushime, says that investigations have already commenced.
All I know is that statements were recorded from both parties in regard to the demolition that took place at Kithende hostels. We cannot start ruling out the outcomes, but let us leave that matter to the investigative officers. And maybe after compiling their file and taking them to court, that's when we shall know the truth.